योमे दिफा के मौका पर पाकिस्तानी पंजाब रेंजर्स की परेड देखने लंदन का शहरी वाघा बॉर्डर पहुंच गया और वाघा बॉर्डर अपग्रेडेशन देखकर अश कर उठा। वाघा बॉर्डर पर जीरो लाइन पर परेड देखने के लिए पाकिस्तान साइड पर एक लंदन के शहरी यहां पर पहुंचे हैं। Hello sir, how are you? What's your name?
My name is Jonathan.
Where are you from?
I'm from London in the UK.
Is this your first visit in Pakistan?
My first time to Pakistan ever.
Have you listened about the parade and have you seen about the parade here in Pakistan?
I have. I've seen videos of it on the television, in documentaries in the UK.
What do you think about the Wagah border upgradation? Like you can see the army museum and other upgradation and a few other features that are very additional. That was not at the past time.
Well, I haven't been to the museum yet, if that's what you're asking about, but maybe after the parade I'll go and have a look at the exhibits and the other things you've been talking about, because they sound very interesting.
Okay, you are British citizen and at the opposite side there is India and here is Pakistan where you are standing here. Why you are standing in Pakistan side?
Well, I wanted to come to Pakistan because of all the amazing things about the country, the history, the food, the culture. I wanted to come and see Lahore. I have a friend who's British, who's working in Islamabad, so I've come to visit him.
Would you like to go there?
I'm going to Islamabad after I've been to Lahore, and then I'm going up into the mountains as well, because I've heard they're really beautiful.
What you are thinking about by seeing at the other side, at the other gate? What you are thinking as compared to Wagah border of the Pakistan side and border side of the India side?
Well, it feels like there's a lot more energy here. There's more music. It feels a bit more exciting here. I can see, it looks a bit kind of quiet over that side, but it's here. There's real excitement. Everyone's got their flags. It's all very, very impressive.
Okay, I want to ask you one thing that I observed here at this time. Here at the Pakistan side, the enclosures are, there are fans in the enclosures, but at the India side, there are no fans. Fans mean air window fan. Air window fan you can see there.
Oh, yeah.
But there is not any fan fixed there for the public in the summer season. What do you think about that?
Well, I mean, it's obviously very good for all these people who've come to visit, for them to be cooled down. It's very impressive to see modern infrastructure here on the Pakistani side.
Would you like to suggest India to install these kind of fans?
I think that would be a good idea.
Would you like to suggest?
It would be a good idea.
Is it necessary for the public?
I think it probably is.
The summer season?
I would say so, yeah.
Okay. Any remarks about Pakistan, Pakistani community, Pakistani citizen, Pakistani people?
Just everyone is very welcoming and very friendly. And I walked around the walled city of Lahore this morning, and everyone was smiling and very welcoming. It was a very, very, very beautiful and interesting experience.
Can you speak in Urdu language, any line, any word?
Oh, I can say shukriya. Thank you very much.
Shukriya. Interview dene ke liye shukriya.
Okay, shukriya.
Shukriya for the interview.
Oh, no worries. Anytime. Yeah.